back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I will be showing you how you can make a DIY banana face mask. This face mask is going to remove spots, acne, fine line and wrinkles from your face. And if you want to know how to make this banana face mask, please do continue watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Share this video with your friends and with your family and with your loved ones. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Check out other of my videos. I have amazing and interesting video that you will learn from me. Thank you, and let's get into it.
So guys, I would need one banana, but I will divide the banana into two pieces. To make this banana face mask, you have to mash the banana very well. After you get a smooth paste of the banana, I'm gonna add yogurt to it to make a paste. Then I will mix it together. You mix it very well. So I'm gonna add honey to it. So I will mix it again. So banana face mask is ready to apply now. So I'm gonna apply my face mask now. So this face mask is gonna remove wrinkles, fine line. It's gonna smooth your skin. If you have a acne face, this face mask is gonna pull it out and you'll have a fit skin. And it's gonna remove sunburn, pimples on your face. So this banana face mask is really active and effective. When you use it every day for 1 week, you will see amazing results. By using it every day, you postpone every other face mask you have been using and concentrate on this one, and it's gonna be really effective when you use it every day. After I finish applying the mask, I'm going to wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off. After washing it off, I will apply my moisturizer, which is coconut oil. I apply coconut oil on my face. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I choose coconut oil because I like coconut oil. It also helps to soften my skin. So I choose coconut oil to moisturize my skin.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'm happy to reply to all your comments. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you.